Environmental chemistry is the scientific study of the chemical and biochemical phenomena that occur in natural places. It investigates the sources, reactions, transport, effects, and fates of chemical species in the air, soil, and water environments. This field is inherently interdisciplinary, drawing upon principles from analytical, physical, organic, and inorganic chemistry. It also integrates knowledge from biology, geology, and toxicology to provide a holistic understanding of environmental systems. The primary goal is to comprehend how human activities impact these natural systems and to develop sustainable solutions. Understanding environmental chemistry is crucial for addressing global challenges like pollution, climate change, and resource depletion. The Earth's atmosphere is a complex mixture of gases, primarily nitrogen and oxygen, with trace amounts of others. Atmospheric chemistry focuses on the chemical processes occurring within this gaseous envelope. These processes dictate air quality, weather patterns, and global climate. Key areas of study include the formation and breakdown of pollutants such as sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, and volatile organic compounds. These substances contribute to smog, acid rain, and respiratory issues. Understanding their chemical pathways is vital for pollution control strategies. Another critical aspect is the chemistry of the ozone layer, which protects life from harmful ultraviolet radiation. Chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs, were once widely used chemicals that significantly depleted this protective layer. International agreements have largely phased out CFCs, demonstrating the impact of chemical understanding on global policy. Furthermore, atmospheric chemistry investigates the greenhouse effect, a natural process essential for maintaining Earth's temperature. However, increased concentrations of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane, largely due to human activities, are intensifying this effect. This leads to global warming and climate change, altering ecosystems worldwide. Water is fundamental to all life and covers over 70% of the Earth's surface. Aquatic chemistry examines the chemical composition and reactions occurring in natural water bodies, including oceans, rivers, lakes, and groundwater. The unique properties of water, such as its polarity and high heat capacity, make it an excellent solvent. This solvent capability means water can dissolve a vast array of substances, both natural and anthropogenic. Water quality is determined by parameters like pH, dissolved oxygen levels, and the presence of various ions and organic compounds. These factors directly influence aquatic ecosystems and human health. Common water pollutants include heavy metals, pesticides, industrial chemicals, and pharmaceuticals. These contaminants can enter water systems through runoff, industrial discharge, or improper waste disposal. Their presence can lead to ecosystem disruption, bioaccumulation in food chains, and health risks. Aquatic chemistry also plays a crucial role in water treatment processes. Understanding the chemical reactions involved in coagulation, flocculation, filtration, and disinfection is essential for providing safe drinking water. It also informs strategies for wastewater treatment and remediation of contaminated sites. Soil is a dynamic and complex matrix composed of minerals, organic matter, water, and air. Soil chemistry investigates the chemical properties and processes within this vital medium. It influences nutrient availability for plants, water retention, and the fate of pollutants. Essential plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium undergo various chemical transformations in the soil. These nutrient cycles are critical for agricultural productivity and ecosystem health. Soil pH, cation exchange capacity, and organic matter content are key chemical indicators of soil fertility. Soil can also become contaminated by industrial waste, agricultural chemicals, and improper disposal of hazardous materials. Heavy metals, petroleum hydrocarbons, and persistent organic pollutants can accumulate in soil, posing risks to plants, animals, and human health. Understanding their chemical behavior in soil is crucial for effective remediation. Remediation techniques often rely on chemical principles, such as immobilization, degradation, or extraction of contaminants. Phytoremediation, for instance, uses plants to absorb or break down pollutants. Bioremediation employs microorganisms to detoxify contaminated soil, highlighting the intersection of chemistry and biology. Green chemistry is a philosophical approach to chemical research and engineering that seeks to minimize the production and use of hazardous substances. It provides a framework for designing chemical products and processes that reduce environmental impact and promote sustainability. The 12 principles of green chemistry guide chemists in developing safer, more efficient methods. These principles include preventing waste, maximizing atom economy, designing safer chemicals, and using safer solvents. They also advocate for designing for energy efficiency, using renewable feedstocks, and designing chemicals for degradation. Implementing these principles helps reduce pollution at its source rather than treating it after it has been created. Examples of green chemistry in action include the development of biodegradable plastics and the use of supercritical carbon dioxide as a solvent. These innovations reduce reliance on toxic materials and minimize waste generation. Green chemistry is essential for creating a more sustainable future. Environmental chemistry provides the fundamental knowledge needed to understand the intricate chemical processes governing our planet. It equips us with the tools to analyze environmental problems and devise effective solutions. From the atmosphere to our water and soil, chemical principles are at play, shaping our world. By studying environmental chemistry, we gain insights into the impacts of human activities and learn how to mitigate them. This field is not just about identifying problems, it is about innovating for a healthier planet. Continued research and application of environmental chemistry principles are vital for global sustainability and well-being.